How to use Dasher Direct Virtual Card in store. Using a Dasher Direct Virtual Card in a store is a straightforward process. Here's how you can use your Dasher Direct Virtual Card for in-store purchases. Activate your Dasher Direct Virtual Card. Ensure that your Dasher Direct Virtual Card is activated and ready for use. You might need to complete this step through the Dasher Direct website or mobile app. Locate a store that accepts Visa cards. Make sure the store where you want to make a purchase accepts Visa cards. Visa is widely accepted at most stores and retailers. When you're ready to make a purchase at the store, present your Dasher Direct Virtual Card to the cashier or insert it into the card reader if required. If prompted, enter the PIN associated with your Dasher Direct Virtual Card. This is typically a 4-digit number that you set when you activated your card. Follow the prompts on the card reader or cashier's terminal to complete the transaction. You may need to sign a receipt, depending on the store's policies. Always keep your receipt as proof of the transaction, especially for returns or disputes. After the transaction, you can check your Dasher Direct account online or through the mobile app to track your purchase and monitor your card balance. It's important to remember that your Dasher Direct Virtual Card works just like a physical Visa debit card, allowing you to make in-store purchases at any location that accepts Visa payments. The process is convenient and secure, and you can use the card for various types of purchases beyond in-store shopping, including online payments, bill payments, and more. I hope you find this video informative. Thanks for watching.